Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on language and input and tap on language and region at the top. So here we've got the list of all applied languages, let's say. We've got English and Spanish. So let's start with adding new language. Add language, tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and then tap on it. I'll pick maybe Greek. Just tap on it. Hello. All right. So right now your device will ask you whether you really want to change the system language to Greek one. Of course, Greek in my case. So let's tap on change to confirm. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can tap on another language to quickly change it. So for example, English in my case. Just tap on it, it will be immediately marked, and it will also immediately appear at the top of the list. Moreover, you can change the languages just by tapping on it and hold it, and then you can drag it to the very first position. This is basically the operation with the same results as the previous one, but a different technique. Let me set English again. And now you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on delete. Hello. All right. And now you can mark the languages which you'd like to remove. Then tap on this trash bin icon. Confirm it with OK. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.